Hello everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel. I am Preeti. So I hope you everyone are doing well. So in this today's video tutorial, I came up with a different topic called how we can change the browser tab title in SharePoint. So in this video tutorial, I am going to tell you two various ways like how we can change the default browser tab title on SharePoint homepage, and the second one is how we can set our custom own page as the homepage in SharePoint. So let's move on. Okay, so first of all, I will tell you one example that how it works, and then I will tell you the steps that how we can do it. So here you can see this is one of my SharePoint site page called client portal events. Okay, just now recently I created it. So here you can see this page. Whenever you will open in any browser, you can see this is my client portal events. It will show in the tab. Whenever you can see, it will show you the client portal events. But in case I want to change it according to my requirement, what I want, like I exactly want it should show me client portal events hyphen my company name, like suppose TSInfo. So whenever I will open this thing in any browser, it will show the client portal events hyphen TSInfo. So let's see how we can achieve it. Now we can see here it is settings icon is there. Once you will click on it, so everything we will do it on the site page library. Okay, so now just go to the site content, and then under the site content you can find out the site page library. So just it will open, and then you need to here in the below you can see the bottom part, you can see the site pages. So just click on it. Once you will click on it, you can see all the site pages that you have created or created by someone. Okay, so now this is my client portal event that I want to change the browser tab title. So I will select on it. So whatever you want, you can choose accordingly with the site pages, and then you need to click on these three dots or more commands option. Then you need to click on the properties. Once you will click on the properties, you can see here there are three type of fields. One is content type, name, and the title. Okay, content type you no need to change anything. Name, suppose if you want to change anything like from client portal event to only you want to keep it client portal, then you can make it. And here like this is the important field where we can change the browser tab title. So here instead of this one client portal events, so whatever you will provide the site name, it will be there, or page name, it will be there. But after that you just add your specific either company name or your name, whatever you want, you can change it accordingly. So client portal event, it will be there, then hyphen, then TSInfo. So now just come out of that and just it will be saved automatically. So now everything is done. Just click on this cancel icon. Now just refresh it once, and then here you need to republish this site page. Okay, so you can click on these three dots, and then you can see the more option over here. So and then just republish it. So now you republished and everything is done. Okay, after reflection, what you need to do, you just select this page or site page, and then once you click on this, you can see it is coming. Okay, so here you can see is we changed the client portal events hyphen TSInfo, it is changed, and in this way we can change our browser tab title. Okay, next I will tell you how we can set our custom page as the home page in SharePoint. Okay, so for that one, so suppose let's say in this case I want to make the set the home page is this one. Okay, by default. So what I will do, I will just select it, and once I will click on this, you can see this is the make home page option. So like you need to just click on it, and then once you will click on this one, you can see the client portal events is now the site home page. Okay, so this is by default. You set the home page, the custom home page is this one. Okay, and one more thing here I want to tell you, suppose you are not a owner, okay, of the site, only the member of the site. Okay, in that case what will happen, you can't see this make homepage option. Okay, if you are owner of the site, specific site, so as you can see this client portal, I am the owner, is Lydia, you can see, is the owner. Okay, owner of the site, then only I can see this option is make home page. If I will member or any other permission I have, then I can't see this home page, and also I can't set the home page, I mean custom page this as a home page. Okay, so now whenever we will come to this page, so here you can see home page is my default home page is this one. Okay, so like in this way we can set our custom page site page as the home page in SharePoint. To know more details about this particular thing, like how we can change the browser travel in SharePoint, I have written this post yesterday in spguides.com. I will provide this link in the description box below. Here you can see all the details, all the information gathered in this article. You just visit this guide. If you really like this video, kindly like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this. Thank you and have a nice day.